Tonight we're making a classic American side dish, mashed potatoes. Traditional mashed potatoes are made with Yukon Gold potatoes, butter, salt, and pepper, but our mashed potatoes are made with a twist, so we'll add in garlic puree, sour cream, cream cheese, Havarti cheese, and aged white cheddar cheese. Hand mashed and made from scratch. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens from around the world. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining, restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking. Mashed potatoes, one of the all-time favorite side dishes in restaurants and at home. There are plenty of instant mashed potato mixes available at the grocery store, but there's just no substitute for hand-mashed, made-from-scratch mashed potatoes. We're using Yukon Gold potatoes, peeled and cooked in salted water for 30 minutes and then drained. We'll add butter, garlic puree, cream cheese, sour cream, Havarti cheese, and aged white cheddar cheese, and mix them by hand. Our mise en place for the mashed potatoes: 2 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes, salt and pepper, 4 ounces of unsalted butter, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 4 ounces of grated Havarti cheese, and 4 ounces of grated white cheddar cheese, 4 ounces of sour cream, 1 cube of garlic puree, 1 pinch of chopped chives, and 1 pinch of chopped parsley. And for the equipment and utensils, you'll need a 4-quart pot with a lid, a potato peeler, butter knife, tablespoon, large serving spoon, colander, potato masher, large bowl, cheese grater, and a knife and cutting board. Our first step is to peel the potatoes. Now you'll notice a bowl of cold water. We will put the potatoes into the cold water after they are peeled. This keeps the potatoes from turning brown. Next, we will bring a pot of salted water to a boil. Then we'll slice the potatoes into halves or quarters. You want the sliced potato pieces to be close to the same size so that they'll cook evenly. Place the potatoes into the boiling water for 30 minutes. While the potatoes are cooking, let's get our cheeses ready. Some people like to buy their cheese already shredded, but many of the shredded cheeses in the grocery store have preservatives and anti-caking additives in them. So take the time and grate the cheese yourself. It really does make a difference. To get the butter ready, put 4 ounces of butter onto a plate and cut it into pieces. This will help soften up the butter just a bit. We'll do the same thing with our cream cheese. Garlic puree is next. There's a link in the description below on how to make this. We'll put a large dollop of sour cream into a ramekin. If you don't like sour cream, you could use 4 ounces of heavy cream instead. Chives can be bought dry and chopped, but just like the shredded cheese, it's better to use fresh chives and cut them yourself. After 30 minutes, the potatoes should be cooked. Drain the potatoes, put them back into the pot and onto the stove. Leave the heat on for about a minute. This will help evaporate any remaining water, and it will cook the garlic puree as it is added into the pot. Add in the butter, the cream cheese, give it a nice stir, and notice how the potatoes are already starting to get mashed just by using the spoon. Then add in the cheeses and stir them in. The cheddar cheese is used for flavor, while the Havarti cheese adds texture and creaminess. Add in the sour cream and stir it in. Season with salt and pepper, and we're ready to plate our dish. 1 scoop, 2 scoops, add in some chives and chopped parsley, and we're done. And there it is, mashed potatoes with a twist. Yukon Gold potatoes with garlic, butter, cream cheese, Havarti cheese, white cheddar cheese, sour cream, chives, and parsley. Hand mashed and creamy. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.